Good morning people, welcome back to my channel. Guess where we are today? We are at Leh city in Ladakh and we woke up at 5 a.m. today to get to Kardungla top to catch a glimpse of the sunrise from Kardungla. I'm sure it'll be cloudy. Let's see what best we could get. Anyway, good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is Djmahaneet and we are on the Zanskar calling series, and you must have seen my earlier videos riding through Zanskar, a lot of off-roading, and today is the 5th of September I think, and it's our 14th day on this Zanskar calling series. And the time right now, it's 5:30 a.m. It's still dark. Stay tuned as we ride to Khardungla top today. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the videos of this Zanskar calling series, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get all the latest updates from all my videos. Good morning once again everybody, let's rock and roll today. So the early morning view of Leh city, everybody's still sleeping, a few joggers are jogging. I'm running out of fuel, need to refuel my bike after a long day of ride yesterday. Beautiful skies early morning. Wow, this is Ladakh. What a beautiful state. You should visit Ladakh once in a lifetime if you're in India. It's in a different league, out of this world kind of state. I don't think any state in India even comes close to Ladakh, and it's fast developing, a lot of tourist attractions. So unreal the whole landscape is in Ladakh. People are already going early morning like us to catch a glimpse of the sunrise at Khardungla top. On the right, and the town Leh city. It's a scary drop, but so I'm not looking too much that side. Getting colder as we climb. We're going to climb very steep, probably from 11,000 from Leh city. We're going to hit 18,000 plus at Khardungla top. Was one of the highest, most multiple low roads in the world. We're coming here after it lost its status of being the highest multiple roads, but still I've been wanting to visit Kardungla once in my lifetime. Being a biker, it's always been my dream to visit Kardungla top. Better late than never. That's what they say. Snow-capped mountains of the Himalayas. We feel like we are on the top of the world. Such a beautiful sight. The entire Himachal, Ladakh, Himalayan ranges are truly mesmerizing and out of this world. Blue checkpost, which is at an altitude of 15,300 feet. I didn't want to shoot that as it's a military checkpost. Last few kilometers to reach Kardungla top, and boy, the view is getting better and better. The snow-capped mountains are more visible now as we climb. I hope you can see it on the GoPro. It's quite a distance from where you are, and my hands are literally freezing. The temperature right now is 6 degrees. It feels more like 0. It's that cold. And when we left from Leh, the temperature was like something around 8. It's dropping as we're climbing. I think on Khardungla top it'll be like 3 or 2 degrees. Wow, the first ray of sun on that hill. Amazing. From Kardungla top, and the temperature is dropped to 3 degrees and my hands are literally frozen. It's not moving. I need heat. Oh boy, wrong choice of gloves today. Oh Baba, what a disaster. Help me God. There is a bit. Khardungla top it is. One of the highest motorable roads in the world. And see the snow-capped mountains which is all across this area. The temperature is 3 degrees. The time right now is 6:15 a.m. I can feel there's hardly any oxygen there. Mighty Kardungla. It's 17,800 feet. We managed to reach here with 3 degrees. It's cold as hell, and the oxygen levels are very low. That was a mighty Kardungla, boy. It was cold. And the temperature is 2 degrees. The heart is freezing. Nose is running. So this is Leh city. We're just going to get our bikes washed. Morning also we went in the same route. They have beautiful arches all across the city, just like this. And of course the landscapes. That is a given. It's a nice, well-kept city, good people, friendly. And so city with a view like that, just imagine if you have a view every day like this. Snow-capped mountains, unreal landscapes. Wow, it's simply wow. There are military people all over the place, BSF and Indian Army. So we're at an altitude of about 11,000 change here at Leh city, and Khardungla where we went in the morning was about 17,600 I think. Where did this guy go, man? He's a restless bum. I'll just go wash and go. Well, if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube, that's Djmahaneet, and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. And of course, not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any comments, do write below on the comment section.